Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Once again welcome back to another new video. আজকে আমরা সাদ রহমানের সম্পর্কে জানবো। তো শুরু করা যাক আজকের ভিডিও। Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Saad Rahman ready. Saad, what is your name?
My name is Saad Rahman.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Good. Saad Rahman from Bangladesh. What class do you study in?
I am class D.
I study in.
I study in class nursery.
Good. I study in class nursery. What is your school name?
My school name PML Laboratory School.
Good. What is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher Rupa Miss.
My favorite teacher is Rupa Miss. Good. What is your father name?
My father name is Ali Azam.
What is your mother name?
My mother name is Amina Khatun.
Good. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one
Sister. Good. Saad Rahman, one sister. What is your sister name?
My sister name is Fari Afsana.
Good. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food ice cream.
Good. Saad Rahman's favorite food is ice cream. Very good. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color orange.
Orange. Saad Rahman's favorite color হচ্ছে orange. Do you like coffee or tea?
Coffee. I like coffee.
Good. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Oh, good. Which one is sports? Football or cricket?
Football.
Football. Good. Do you like traveling?
I like traveling.
Good. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby learning English.
Good. My favorite hobby is learning English. তো বন্ধুরা এই ভিডিওটি আজকের মতো এখানেই। তো ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।